Hey loves, I'm Homebody Leisha. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so happy to be spending another week with you guys. And if this is your first time on the channel, I'm just doing a quick little intro, a little different on this vlog, but you guys just catch y'all up and I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the comments.
Go.
Okay, look up.
Correctly. Wait, where is she?
Oh my.
There, you stand back.
Happy Monday. Hey loves, I'm Homebody Leisha. If it's your first time on the channel, welcome. Okay, so today is Monday, I believe July 20th. Oh wow, I'm getting ahead of myself. Today is June 26th, and I do have some things planned. We're gonna definitely get some cleaning, some decluttering, some organization done. I have because I work from home, so I have my workspace that do need to be cleared out. We're going to be doing that today. And then I also have, just some around the house things I need to do. And then we're also going to be trying a new recipe that I'm so excited to make for the first time with you guys. So yeah, thank you guys for stopping in. I hope you consider subscribing on this channel. I am all about family, home decor, all things home, cooking, cleaning, you name it. That's what I got going on. I do have a family of 6. Sometimes they pop in, sometimes they don't. However, nonetheless, I appreciate you guys for being here and taking the time out. That being said, we're going to go ahead as a little bit later on when we start the cleaning and organization. So let me show you guys this area. It's a little dark in here. Let me open the door so you guys could really see. Let's see. This is the before. This is what we're looking at. I'm going to go ahead and box all that stuff up. This is like a console. Truth be told, it looks a mess right now. Just look past that. So I may keep that. It does need to be painted over. As you can see here, it's, just some little wear and tear from over the years. I've had it for some time now. So yeah. Oh my gosh, I hate how all the cords are sticking out everywhere. I have to find something for those cords. I'm sure Amazon will be able to help me out with that.
Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad. So bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? Seeing past the trouble, now you know the meaning of it all. It all. Didn't think it happened so soon, but that one afternoon you finally moved on. Letting go of all that he said and finally cared for yourself. You really moved on. And I feel it.
I love putting you guys on. This particular book that I just posted right here is called Adult Children of Emotionally Immature Parents. This book is #1 therapy recommended. It's strongly advised if you have dealt with any type of parental issues. This book is highly recommended. I can go into a tangent about how great this book is, but I strongly recommend it if you are looking to be a better parent or just be healed from your parents or just try to figure out co-parenting in general. We all have some gems that we can use from this particular book. All right.
It's gonna be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we No more bleeding, can't 7 days a week, but now you moved on. And I feel it, I feel it, I feel it, I feel it, I feel it.
Okay, let's just have a little talk, a little chit chat. I feel the need to say this, so I'm gonna say it. Okay, so I was reading the comments on my last video. Y'all excuse me, I'm looking so crazy because I'm in the middle of cleaning, as y'all know. So yeah, but oh baby, I need some lip gloss. Just one moment. So I'm back. Oh, I just had to put some lip gloss on really fast before I say this, but I just feel led. I think my last vlog, so my Sunday vlog, if you guys haven't had the chance to see that yet, definitely go ahead and check it out. But I was reading the comments on that last vlog, and it was so touching how it's who said that, you know, keep praising God. I love the way you're praising God. Let me tell y'all something. I'm gonna be obedient and I'm gonna do just that. Make sure your light is shining. I know that a lot of people, they come on here and they gloss how their life may look. They don't really show the ins and outs. You know, like myself, I show the ins and outs. I like to be raw. I like to be authentic because baby, there is nothing glossed up about my life every day, period. And it's not in shambles either. You know what I'm saying? So I'm counting my blessings, and I want to make sure that each and every time that I show up on this platform, as long as God allowed me to be here, as long as YouTube allowed me to be here, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to show up as my authentic self and allow my light to shine, because there's so much crap that yes, we can complain about, but you can come on here and you can change someone's entire life by just giving them a word. You hear me? You guys have no idea. And that's, I mean, low-key, that's also part of why I started doing YouTube. I mean, it was multiple reasons and I just felt led to do so. That's a whole nother video that I can expound on at a different date. But I have so many different videos that, listen, that word was just right on time. And I don't want to get too preachy here, but all in all, I just wanted to say that I pray that you guys, when you hit my channel, whether you're coming here for my vlogs, for the kids, for myself, whether you're coming here for cleaning, whatever it is that you may need in that moment, whatever motivation, whatever pick me up, I pray each and every time that I'm delivering. You hear me? Because so many others have done it for me, and I feel like it's just my responsibility to let my light shine and do it for somebody else as well. Is that we have to start really counting our blessings. Like, it's so much that you can be grateful for. It's so much gratitude that you can really look at. Things may not be 100% how you may want them, but you'll get there at some point. Just continue to show up and move in the spirit of excellence. And I want to plant that seed, because somebody planted that seed for me a couple weeks ago when I was in Bible study, y'all. I forgot what we were talking about, but it was towards the end of Bible study. And I remember one of our church members were saying about, in everything that you do, make sure that you're moving in the spirit of excellence. I just feel the need to say that, and I hope whoever that's for, that you receive it. I wanted to plant that seed for you because somebody planted that seed for me, and it really changed my entire perspective on how I was doing things. I can move a little bit better in certain areas. You know what I'm saying? I can move better when it comes to my meal prepping and how I'm eating. I can move better when it comes to my exercising. I can move better in the things that are just going to make me be a better person overall. So that's what it boils down to, is moving in the spirit of excellence. Don't make no excuses for it. You know what I'm saying? So all right, I'm done with my TED Talk. I'm done. I'm getting out the pulpit. I'm out the pulpit. I'm out the pulpit. Enjoyed my little rants, and yeah. So I finally got my workspace all cleaned up, organized, nice and neat, and I'm going to show you guys the result. So to get started on our new recipe, there's a few items that we are missing. Hubby is going through the list now. We're just checking things off so we can grab those things and get started on the new recipe, which you guys will see in a minute what exactly we're making.
It's something completely different.
But is it like a little kick to it, a little spice to it? Not too much spice, but something that'll give the empanada taste?
I don't know, because I don't know what the empanada is supposed to taste like. I mean, I know what it tastes like, but when it comes to seasonings, I don't know.
That say go up, babe. I think it says something with citrus, so we definitely don't want that.
Oh no.
Citrus blend,
Maybe fajita. Fajita's a little different. Fajita got a little kick to it.
Yeah. Oh, what about the adobo? Adobo may have it.
Yeah, but adobo's all purpose though. You know, steak, fish, chicken. So I think it's just an all purpose. I don't think it's like a Mexican flavor. I mean, people put it, they put it in there, but I don't think that's gonna give you what you're looking for.
What about, babe, the like Mexican packets, like seasoning packets, like you was saying what you were talking about, the taco,
which is taco
packets.
Just the taco, the Southwest chicken, ranch chicken, and then the fajita mix. That's the only 3 they have. They don't have anything else. That's the only 3 they have.
Cause we need something to substitute for the crushed red peppers, cause that's gonna be too spicy for the girls. Then we need something to substitute for the Mexican oregano.
Fajita probably be your best bet. Say spices, paprika. So, I mean, because I know fajita is a little bit more streety when it comes to like Mexican food versus just regular taco mix. Let's see what the ingredients is on this one.
But maybe we can Google it. Yeah, but I guess the fajita mix, I guess we have to just wing it. Go from there.
Probably the best thing. Or you can mix it fajita, like a pack of fajita, a pack of Mexican, and that a pack of taco, and mix them together. Some of like that Morton seasoned salt, you can throw some of that in there too.
It's in stock, babe, at this Walmart right here. The fajita and the taco mix.
Yes, ma'am. All right.
Get that in there.
All right. Here we go.
We're gonna make what? Alright, so the girls are gonna help me out. As they already said, they already told y'all what we're gonna make tonight. This is our first time trying this little recipe. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and pull our kitchen stuff that we do need. Onion, we do need an onion, we need our knives. Mommy will handle that type of stuff. We got the seasoning and all that, so yeah, let's go ahead and let's get into it. good. Amen.
Amen.
Good? Good, Aaron? Chef kiss?